In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a variable valve timing solenoid on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located on the top of the motor. Let's get started. Using a T15 bit, we're going to remove the 2 screws for the intake. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the intake back off of the plastic trim. Using a pair of pliers, pinch the clamp and pull it down. Remove the intake boot off the intake. We're going to grab either side of our intake and pull straight up. And remove the intake. Remove the hose from the plastic clip. We're going to pull down on this door. Pull up on the tab behind it. Pull the plastic stay off of the hose. To remove the hose, we have to pinch these 2 tabs. There's one on bottom and one on top. Push straight back and remove the hose. I'm going to pull that out of our way. We're going to remove the connector for our VVT. We're going to push down on our connector, push on the tab where my forefinger is, pull straight up, and remove the connector. Get that out of your way. I'm going to pull this harness slightly up to the right. We're going to remove our VVT sensor bolt using a T20 bit. Remove the screw. We're going to grab and twist our VVT sensor. As we do this, we're going to pull it straight out. Remove the VVT sensor, pull straight out. Using a clean rag with some brake parts cleaner, we're going to clean any of the old oil that came off of our VVT sensor. We're also going to clean up where our sensor is going to go in. When we do this, we want to wipe any dust or dirt away from the motor. We don't want to wipe it in. Once you have it nice and clean, we can install our VVT sensor. Install the VVT sensor, push it straight down in. You'll feel the O-ring almost click into place. Be sure it's fully seated. Install the bolt for the VVT sensor. I highly recommend using something magnetized so you don't lose the screw. Get the bolt started by hand. Snug the bolt down. Torque the bolt to 2 Newton meters. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. We're going to open that plastic clip and install our hose. Close the clamp down. Install the hose onto the valve cover. Make sure it snaps into place. Slide the plastic stay up around the hose. Install the intake into place. Push down on the 4 rubber grommets in the corners and lock them into their posts. Install the boot onto the intake. Be sure that it's fully installed. Pinch the clamp and pull it over. Install the intake trim into the front air dam. Get the screws started on either side. Snug the bolts down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.